shipping and handling, call the number on your screen. So don't delay. Order now.
Nice to see you again.
Oh, very nice to see you.
How are you? This is Jason and this is Grant. They're the founders of our team, TAPS.
Very nice to meet you.
Now, when we were doing our investigation, we did have a few personal experiences that we can't quite explain. One of our investigators, Dave Tango, was sitting there and actually heard a door open and close and footsteps. Didn't see a person to go along with the door and footsteps. And this happened to Dave upstairs where the room was on, in the long hallway. And when myself and Brian went outside in the graveyard.
Oops.
Presents, can you let yourself know?
Hi.
And we started to hear little noises, like twigs breaking, rustling in bushes, stuff like that. And we couldn't find any animal or a person. We even had a thermal camera with us, which measures heat signatures, and we couldn't find a heat signature from an animal. And then even more interesting, anytime we brought up the general's name,
Hi.
we had an even more distinct reaction.
Wave, gonna wave.
It's really tough to ever put a name with any activity that you catch unless you're 100% sure it's been a person. We're going to go into some stuff that we caught on the investigation. So this first one is doing the DP electronic voice phenomena. This is the noise or voice that they heard that wasn't present when they were doing the recording.